There's nothing better than a cozy homemade meal, and tonight Dave is making his signature cottage pie. Rich, comforting, and topped with golden, cheesy mashed potatoes. And of course, Nala is hoping for a taste. First, we get the cubed potatoes boiling for the mash. Dave sautés the garlic and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then adds the beef to get it browning. Using a vegetable chopper, he gets the red and white onions chopped, while 2 sliced carrots and a couple handful of frozen peas are simmering in salted water. Dave's secret to the perfect cottage pie is to add 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and season well, even adding a stock cube. Once the beef is browned, he adds the onions and let them saute until nice and soft. Quick check on the potatoes, they're nearly ready. Let's have a little taste of the seasoning. Yum. That's good. Now the carrots and peas are nearly cooked. We like them with a slight bite. A quick stir with the chopped tomatoes, then we let the sauce simmer. Meanwhile, the potatoes are ready, so we mash them up with butter, warm milk, and a pinch of salt until smooth and creamy. Have a taste, just adjust seasoning here. Now, time to assemble. The rich beef filling goes into an oven-safe dish or casserole, followed by a layer of fluffy mashed potatoes. Dave runs a fork across the top for that perfect crispy top. A generous sprinkle of grated cheddar, because let's be honest, everything is better with melted cheese. Now into the oven at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes until golden and bubbling. And while we wait, the anticipation is real. Finally, it's done. That beautiful golden crust, the bubbling cheese, it smells incredible. Dave lets it rest for a few minutes, which is the hardest part. Then he digs in, and yeah, it's pure comfort in every bite. We both agree. This is the kind of meal that just makes you feel at home.